So how do you turn on the Snapchat live location? And let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you just want to make sure that you have the Snapchat app downloaded, right? But then go to the settings app of your iPhone, and entirely at the bottom, you can see we have the apps section. From the apps, just scroll through them until you find the Snapchat right here. And we have the location setting at the top. Now, the point is that your phone will ask if you want to share your location with the Snapchat app. And you have more options like never. Make sure that you never share it. It's pretty self-explanatory. But a lot of people have it set to while using the app, which is okay. When you open up Snapchat, it can access your location. However, if you want to share it live and just have it turned on at all times, you need to set it to always, which will make sure that even if you close the Snapchat app, you put your phone in the pocket, the app will still know where you happen to be and it can share it with other people. Turning on the precise location at the bottom, the toggle in there, can also help because with this setting off, apps can only determine your approximate location. So with precise, you can share a better live location. So that would be about it. These are all of the location settings I wanted to show you. Most definitely let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up properly for your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.